all. I hope you all are doing good. And I am again back with my on my channel. It's all about you. In fact, on my Facebook page, it's all about you. And हम लोग बात करेंगे about the topic. Just a second. I think there is some glitch happening. So today we will be topic जो इतने पूरे महीने से चला आ रहा है, that is about breakup. So we have actually circulated a questionnaire thing to all of you, and many have responded to that. And the topic is ask me anything about breakup. So you can always ask me whatever you feel like, and I will definitely answer whatever updates I have with me, और जो भी मेरे पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से होगा. बिकॉज अगर आपने मेरी पुराने सीरीज देखे होंगे जो अभी हुए थे अबाउट ब्रेकअप, वेयर वी हैड अ रिलेशनशिप कोच भावना with us who was talking about breakups, who was talking about relationships. Then we had an open house where we were talking about why breakup happens, what is the main reason, how to do a breakup. All these things happened. So through that Google form, many people have actually shared questions with me. And today we will be taking up those topics. And thank you all for coming forward and talking about these topics, because ये वो वाले topics है that nobody touches. So we have few questions with us, and I will be going through it and telling you what actually that means. So we can start our round of the questions. And if you have anything, you can always ask me in the comment section and I'll be able to answer you. The first thing is, I can't just move on. What should I do? Somebody has asked me this. So see, the best advice one can give you is, if you can't move on, then wait. Then wait, because there is no harm in waiting. It's okay if you're taking your own time. आप ये सोच के देखो ना, जो भी ब्रेकअप हुआ है वो म्यूचुअली हुआ है, वो एक साइड से नहीं हुआ, और वो ब्रेकअप हुआ ड्यू टू सर्टेन रीजंस. सो गिव योरसेल्फ अ टाइम, अ हीलिंग टाइम हम जिसे कहते हैं, बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप सोचो ना, आप ये करंट सिचुएशन ले लो. पेंडेमिक था, कोविड था. कोविड में भी तो लोगों ने रेस्ट किया. सो आप ये सोच लो, आप रेस्टिंग मोड पे हो कुछ टाइम के लिए, एंड वंस यू गेट somebody whom you can talk to, whom you can speak to, that's the best thing about it. Somebody from Mumbai, that is Sujata, she has asked me a very different thing. What is the healing time? And what if somebody wants to come back? Wohi same partner wants to come back. So should I allow that person to walk in? So Sujata, my advice to you would be, take your time. Because जो फर्स्ट टाइम रिलेशन आपका गया था या ब्रेकअप हुआ था, दैट वाज नॉट बिकॉज यू वर जस्ट ट्राइंग. नो, ऐसा नहीं था. यू बोथ हैव actually given ample time to each other, और जब चीजें वर्कआउट नहीं हुई, दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम you guys have moved out. So before that, letting that person in again, give that thought कि आप सिर्फ फ्रेंड्स बन के अच्छे हो कि आप एक रिलेशन में अच्छे हो. बिकॉज कभी कभी हमें ना समझ नहीं आता है, कई बार हम वी आर वेरी बेस्टेस्ट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, हम फ्रेंडशिप बहुत अच्छे से निभाते हैं, बट जब वो रिलेशंस की बारी आती है, जब अपने आप को किसी के साथ बिल्कुल जोड़ के खड़ा होने की, यस आई एम देयर फॉर यू वाली वो बात आती है, या एक साथ चलने की बात आती है, देन वी स्टेप बैक और वी want some time. So you take your time, you decide, because it's your life. And as I every time say, love yourself first. अपने आप को पहले आप आगे रखो, और जब आप अपने आप को आगे रखोगे ना, you will get answers very easily. So in this, I think I have answered your question. And with this, we are also moving towards another question, which says, was I not good enough for her or him? Why you think so? आप मुझे बताओ, आप क्यों सोचते हो? आप ये नोशन ही क्यों ला रहे हो कि आप उसके लिए ठीक नहीं थे? डेफिनेटली जब कोई जाता है दुख होता है, वी नीड दैट हीलिंग टाइम, बिकॉज बहुत सारे इमोशंस हमने इन्वेस्ट किए होते हैं, एज भावना सेड राइटली इन माय सेशन की देयर इज ऑलवेज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट, तो वो टोटली डिपेंड करता है हीलिंग टाइम कितना लगेगा, बिकॉज जितना आपने ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट किया होता है उतना हीलिंग टाइम लगता है। सेम वे दिस इज नॉट अबाउट गुड और बैड, दिस इज वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ, इट्स ओके। बहुत बार ऐसा होता है आप कोई नया काम शुरू करते हो वो नहीं चल पाता है, so that doesn't mean ना कि आप उस काम के लिए नहीं बने हो, maybe you're not meant for that business, maybe you're meant for something else, so that's absolutely okay. So don't ever think that you know you were good or you're not good. It's not about good or bad, it's about working out, it's about whether a relation is working or not. So give that time, give that space. It's okay. It's okay. I every time say this, you know, this Facebook community is for you. It's all about you. So you can come and talk. But that doesn't mean ki, you know, if something is not working out, then the whole fault is yours. No. It it is always a two-ways thing. Some things work out, some things don't work out. Somebody has asked me, you know, that's really interesting. Somebody has asked me, हाउ डू आई गेट बैक विद माई एक्स। ये मैंने सुजाता का भी क्वेश्चन था, इट्स सिमिलर बट द क्वेश्चन इज ऑलरेडी मोल्ड, थोड़ा सा मोल्ड किया हुआ है। हाउ डू आई गेट बैक विद माई एक्स। पहली बात तो आप उसको एक्स कह ही नहीं सकते हो, बिकॉज आपके लिए वो भी एक्स नहीं हुआ जब आप उसके पास वापस जाने का सोच रहे हो, है ना, तो वो एक्स हुआ ही नहीं। और देर इज नो ईगो, देर इज नथिंग दैट यू नो यू कांट मेंड ऑफ। go talk to that person and solve things on your end, because every time I say one thing, ये आपका और उसका रिलेशन है, ये आपका और उसका ब्रेकअप है, no, please don't involve your friends, don't involve your family members, because it's between you and him or her, whatever। आप प्लीज समझो, बिकॉज जब दो लोग होते हैं ना रिलेशन में, दे ओनली हैव दैट यू नो थिंग्स दैट दे कैन डिस्कस ओपनली, बिकॉज उसमें बहुत कुछ प्राइवेट होगा, बहुत कुछ पर्सनल होगा, सो व्हाई यू हैव टू ब्रिंग इट टू पब्लिक। एंड as you have asked me how do I get back to my ex, I can't give you tips on that, you have to find, you know that person more than me, so you know it better कि आपको कैसे वापस जाना है। so don't even think that you know कि things will work out or not, no, just go and talk। अभी भी तो वर्कआउट नहीं हो रहा है ना, उसके बाद जाकर बात करने के बाद भी तो यही होगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा मना ही तो हो जाएगा, दैट्स इट, और उसके ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा। I'm happy, you know, I'm really happy that people are coming forward and talking about it, coming forward and sharing their thoughts on the same. This shows that you know people really want somebody to talk to them on these topics, which we were not doing it. So I think this is the best time, this is the best platform where you can come forward, you can vent out, you can talk, you can actually give suggestions to others। So please keep engaging yourself into, अगर और अभी भी आपने इट्स ऑल अबाउट यू कम्युनिटी को ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड एंड डू लाइक आवर पेजेस, see what we do, see what type of work we do। we are not asking you to pay something, we're not telling you you know कि हमें इतना दे दो, no, this is just to help। वो होता ना कि we have to give back to the community, so this is just my way of giving back to the community। Okay, next is somebody has asked me, this is Shreya from Bangalore, am I responsible for all the breakups I had? No, Shreya, you are not all alone responsible for it. This is just a phase. Some things don't work out sometimes, it's okay। sometimes we always think that you know कि नहीं, चलाते हैं बट कब तक आप ड्रैग करोगे। ड्रैगिंग इज नॉट अ सोल्यूशन। ब्रेकअप डेफिनेटली इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ सोल्यूशन, बट ब्रेकअप can be a part of it, so don't worry, it's okay। You don't have a problem, you are not responsible for your breakups, it is thus you're not getting a right click, so wait for that right click, maybe one day or sooner you will get that right click, and you can move on। Somebody has asked, the person doesn't want that we should take that person's name, why don't people understand that friendship breakups are as bad as the relationship ones? Yes, they need to understand, because you know क्या होता है, जब आप friendship और रिलेशनशिप को मिक्स कर देते हो, तब एक डिफरेंट टाइप की खिचड़ी बन जाती है. So if you are very good friends, it doesn't mean that you can go long way in a relationship. Okay, but yes, relationships work if you are good in a understanding. Or understanding kab banti hai? When you were really good friends in and out. So don't mix these two things. If you think that जिसके साथ आपकी बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंडशिप है और वो आपके साथ रिलेशन में नहीं चल पाएगा या चल पाएगी, तो just give it a thought. It's okay. It's okay. And trust me, if you have a partner, or if you have a boyfriend or girlfriend who's other than your friend, will definitely understand this. क्या होता है ब्रेकअप, क्यों होता है, रिलेशनशिप्स क्या होते हैं? रिलेशनशिप इज जस्ट अनदर वे ऑफ कंपैटिबिलिटी. ठीक है. कंपैटिबिलिटी कब आएगी? कंपैटिबिलिटी तब आती है व्हेन यू एक्चुअली थिंक दैट यस, we both understand each other's views, and that is needed. So that doesn't mean, so people should understand and they should give that respect ki yes, there is a very thin line between a friendship and a relationship. I agree. So if you think that the person should not cross that, please tell that person prior, hey boss, no, this is not a right move. It is always good to say no before ending up into something, a messy kind of a thing which gets ugly later on. So it's absolutely okay. So don't worry. If you have a friend, a very close friend, and he's not understanding, then that is not a friendship. Okay. So just stay composed. Just draw that line. Just tell them, no, boss, you can't come into this territory anymore. Or right now, not. Give that time to each other. Maybe you can be the best companions, or maybe you can be the worst companions. So friendship, that doesn't mean that friendship हो गई किसी से बहुत close you're friends with, so उसी से relation करना है. No, that is not possible. But yes, you should also understand your friend's perspective. perspective in the sense कि वो आपको कितना समझता है, ठीक है, या वो आपको कितना समझती है, and then decide on something. यार ऐसे तो बहुत अच्छे अच्छे रिलेशनशिप्स होते हैं ना, कई बार वो भी वर्कआउट नहीं हो पाते हैं. So that's okay. Somebody has asked me, am I wrong to still miss my ex while being in a new relationship? That means, very frankly, I'm telling you, that means आप नए रिलेशनशिप में आगे ही नहीं बढ़े. डेफिनेटली आपके एक्स के साथ डिफरेंट इमोशंस होते हैं जो आप नहीं छोड़ सकते हो या जो आप नहीं छोड़ते हो, बट ऐसा पॉसिबल है कि आपने जो नई रिलेशनशिप बनाई थी वो एक्स के जाने के बाद उसमें आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पाए हो. So there is a possibility that you need yourself a time, take a break from that relationship, think what you want. Guys, मैं कोई नहीं होती हूँ आपके बारे में डिसाइड करने के लिए, मैं कोई नहीं होती हूँ ये बोलने के लिए दिस रिलेशनशिप इज गुड एंड दिस रिलेशनशिप इज नॉट गुड. मैं कोई नहीं होती हूँ ये बोलने वाली कि या नाउ डू ब्रेकअप. नो, आई एम नो वन. आई एम जस्ट हेल्पिंग यू आउट कि बॉस, जस्ट सिट फॉर अ while, think what you want and then move on. तो ब्रेकअप्स में देर इज नो हीलिंग टाइम की कोई डेफिनेशन नहीं है कि 6 महीने में चीजें ठीक हो जाएंगी, 3 महीने में हो जाएंगी, 2 महीने में हो जाएंगी. नहीं, सबका अपना हीलिंग पीरियड होता है. एंड इन द सेम वे you are not responsible for any of the failed relationships or any of the breakups. Don't curse yourself, don't blame yourself, keep loving yourself. And with this, I want to end this live because जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आए थे, आई थिंक आई हैव एड्रेस्ड ऑल. सो नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू कि love yourself, give yourself a priority, and then move on, because it's your life, it's all about you. And do showering your love and likes and comments on our community, which is all about you. Thank you and bye bye.